Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDjpy, US dollar Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of USD JPY in front of us right now. Nothing much to talk about. I will not be repeating the same stuff again and again because I have already discussed in detail on my previous video that I released on Saturday. So as per our expectation, market has taken support at the 38.2% retracement, and we can see that after taking support it is going up. So if you have already taken a buy position, if you have already taken a long position, then my dear friend, be on the trade. No need to worry at anything, just be on the trade. Just make sure your stop loss is below 110.85 level, because on Saturday we were hoping that market would be taking support at either 38.2% retracement, or it would be taking support at 50% retracement, but thankfully it has taken support at this level and right now going up. So be on the trade, and if you are looking for a fresh position, fresh opportunity on the USDjpy chart, then my dear friend, you can initiate a buy position, long position right now. Just make sure this will be your stop loss 110.85 level, and do not risk, yes, do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Follow proper risk management and please follow the position size calculator. So that is my only request. Hopefully you've understood. Bye bye, take care. And in case there is a trend reversal, all of a sudden just exit from the trade. That's it. Just keep your take profit open. Bye bye.